When you are applying for a job, the recruiter doesn't know anything about you, but there is only one document that allows the recruiter to know something about you. That's your CV. In some cases, the recruiter might not read your application letter or might not go through your application letter. They just go direct to check your CV. For this reason, we have created this video to show you the best design or the best format of a CV. All you have to do is to watch this video until the end. So now let's look at all the parts of a CV. A good CV basically has 6 parts. The first part of your CV is your personal details part. This is where you find your name, your full name, your surname, your date of birth, your gender, your marital status, nationality, NRC number, religion, email address, and your contact number. The second part of your CV is the academic achievements or academic qualifications part. This part has 2 categories. The first category is the tertiary education. That is where you write the name of the institution. That's the college or university where you've done your studies to. Then you write the duration and the qualification which was obtained. Then the second category is the primary and secondary school education. That's where you write the name of school, the duration of those studies, and the qualification that was obtained. If it's a certificate, GCE, or anything that was obtained, or the outcome of those studies. Then the third part of a CV is the job experience part. That is where you write the name of the company that you've worked for, the position, the year, and the period of that experience which you have. Then the fourth part of your CV is the skills obtained. For example, team player, fluent in English, good communication skills, computer skills, good typist, good in Microsoft Excel, motivated person, and able to work under supervision. So these are some of the skills which you can write on this part of a CV. Then the fifth part is the hobbies part. The hobbies are the things which you like to do on your free time. So that may include writing, cleaning, cooking, depending on the things which you like doing. Then the sixth and the final part of your CV is the reference, the referees. This is where you write the names of people who you want to refer to. It can be the company, the name of the contact, and the names of your supervisors, your lecturers, your teachers at school, or maybe people who know you better, the ones which the recruiter needs to contact to ask information about you. Those are your referees. Then you write the name, the contact number, and everything that the recruiters may want to know about those people. So this is all you have to know as far as writing a CV. What you should keep in mind is what determines the number of pages of a CV is the work experience and your academic qualifications, and also the skills obtained. That will determine the number that your CV will have. So but these parts that which we have discussed are basically the 6 parts of a CV. But what will determine the number of pages that your CV should have is your work experience, your academic qualifications, and also the skills which you have. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if the video has been helpful to you, give us a thumbs up and share the video.